Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today we're going to make citrus cleaner. Never throw those peels away ever again. This recipe is super simple, and all you're going to do is peel your lemons. You're going to put them in a container, and then you're going to top that with vinegar, and you're going to let that sit for 2 weeks. I'm still a little rusty, but if you keep practicing, you'll be very good at this. This is a good way to sharpen your knife skills. Did you know that lemons are technically berries? I will be juicing these lemons, but that's for another video. Now it's time to transfer your peels to a container. I'm using a mason jar with a nice secure fitting lid. And all I'm gonna do is pour vinegar all the way up to the top and leave for 2 weeks. Two weeks is up, and it's time to strain our mixture. If you were ever wondering, what are some uses for citrus cleaner? You can use it to clean ceramic, stone, marble, porcelain, granite, and laminate surfaces. Now, some variations. You can add cloves, almond extract, or even cinnamon sticks to give it a different smell, but it will still do the job. In between uses, I like to clean my cutting board with my citrus cleaner. It gives it a beautiful smell, and it also disinfects. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.